In this movement video, I am holding the ball and I am passing it off the brick wall, and it is bounced. The ball is, I'm holding it, and then I throw it, it bounces off the brick wall, passes down to the ground, and then bounces back up towards my hands. And I do that a couple of times, and when I'm not doing that, I'm either holding the ball or initially passing it. This is the piecewise function for the graph that I have plotted, and this floor right here is when I'm first holding the ball, and it's for this domain for the first 8 seconds, and then this is for when it's first going down to the ground. So if you plug in 8, you get 4, or if you plug in 9, you get 9 minus 9 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, so it's at the ground. And then if you plug in 9 here, you get 0 as well. But if you plug in 10, you'll get 4 times 1, which is 4. And then there's another constant, and then there's more times when it goes down because of the negative slope, and then it goes up because of the positive slope. This is the graph that I have plotted, and this is when that first domain for the first 8 seconds is where I'm holding the ball, and then I'll pass it, and then it goes down, and then it hits the ground, and then goes up, and then I pass it again, it goes down, goes up, I hold it, pass it, down, up, pass it, down, up. And when it's doing these quick little V's, it's when it's bouncing off the ground and then bouncing back up. Then I hold it again, pass, bounce down on the ground, off the brick wall, down to the ground, bounce off the ground, up into my hands. This is the chart of key features. This is the domain. It's from 0 to 38 seconds, but we don't include 38 because it was just under 38 seconds. This is the range because the minimum is 0 and the maximum is 4. And the domain is time in seconds, and the range is ball height in feet. These are the intervals of increase. It's when there is a interval or 2 points when it's increasing, and this is when the ball is bouncing off of the ground and back to me. These are the intervals of decrease when the ball is first bouncing off of the brick wall and then bouncing down to the ground. This is the maximum value, y equals 4. And it is y equals 4 because that is when the ball is at its highest point, and the minimum value is y equals 0 because it's when the ball hits the ground, and that's when the ball is at its lowest point.